There's a reason all those $12 smoothie stores use Vitamix. This is the Vitamix Ascent X3, and this is basically bringing that commercial blending style right into your own kitchen. It has a 48-ounce container, variable speed control, and your pulse, plus 3 automatic programs for smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups. And the programs on this aren't just timers. The blender actually automatically changes the speed and the blending time throughout the cycle. Then it shuts itself off when it's finished. The blades can even create enough friction heat to take cold ingredients and turn them into hot soup right on the container. It also recognizes compatible Vitamix containers, and it's going to adjust its programs based on what you attach. And this part has always been my favorite about Vitamix. When you're finished, you're just going to add warm water and then a drop of dish soap and then run the self-cleaning program. This whole thing will fill up with soap, cleans all the top, cleans everything. Perfect. So smoothies, you've got frozen drinks, nut butters, sauces, soups. This is the machine people buy when they want one blender that can handle basically everything. If you've been wanting a Vitamix because you know what these machines can do, check out the X3 while it's on a good deal.